the thing nobody tells you before you buy a Raptor R. On day one, it feels unreal. You press the start button, the engine fires up with that deep, chest-thumping roar, people stare, phones come out. You feel like you bought the king of trucks. But fast forward a few months, and the honeymoon starts to crack. Because owning a Raptor R is very different from dreaming about one. Let's start with the obvious. This truck is massive. Not big pickup massive. I'm talking parking lot anxiety massive. Every grocery run feels like a tactical mission. Tight parking spots? Forget it. Older parking garages? You're sweating. Drive-through lanes? Yeah, you're praying you don't scrape a wheel. And those wheels? They're not cheap. One curb kiss in your wallet feels it. Then there's the fuel bill. Nobody buys a Raptor R expecting good gas mileage, but what shocks people is how bad it really is in the real world. Cold starts, short trips, city driving. You'll watch the fuel gauge drop like it's broken, and every fill-up hurts a little more when you realize you're paying sports car money to commute. Now let's talk about attention. At first, it's fun. Thumbs up, questions at gas stations, random dudes yelling, "Nice truck." But attention cuts both ways. You can't blend in, ever. Cops notice you, neighbors notice you, valets look terrified when you hand over the keys. And every little scratch feels 10 times worse because everyone can see it. Inside, the truck looks aggressive. Bolstered seats, big screens, cool materials. But day to day, some things get annoying fast. Too many menus, too many drive modes. You don't just get in and drive, you manage the truck. And the ride? On the highway, it's planted. At speed, it feels confident. But around town, over bumps, potholes, and rough pavement, you feel the stiffness. It's built to fly over dirt at 70 miles per hour, not crawl through rush hour traffic. And here's the part owners rarely admit. Most Raptor R trucks never see real off-road use. No dunes, no desert runs, no rock crawling. They see asphalt, parking lots, speed bumps, which makes you ask a dangerous question. Why am I daily driving something this extreme? Maintenance doesn't help either. Tires wear fast, brakes are not cheap. Insurance? Yeah, good luck with that. In resale value? It's strong until the market cools or fuel prices spike. Then suddenly, everyone wants something smaller, quieter, and cheaper. Don't get me wrong, the Raptor R is incredible. It sounds amazing. It looks insane. It's one of the most capable trucks ever built. But ownership is a reality check. It's loud when you don't want it to be, big when you wish it wasn't, expensive in ways you don't think about on the test drive. And that's the shocking truth. The Raptor R isn't a bad truck, it's just a bad fit for most people who buy it. So before you sign that paperwork, ask yourself honestly, do you want the experience or do you just want the image? Because once the excitement fades, you're left living with the truck every single day, and that's where the real cost shows up.